Hello everyone, this is one new Seagate hard drive of 8 TB. Now let's check the COM terminal, Control A, so we can check the ID. So this is the family ID, it's V11. Okay, this one is the family name. If we use Control L, we can find out it's locked. But if we use Control A, we can check the hard drive ID information here. And head number, 8 heads. Now let's enter the software, Option details, so we can see family 9B. Right now the module list is empty because it's locked, so we can read the ROM first. Okay, now the ROM backup completes, so we can generate unlock ROM, and we select the original ROM. So this is unlock ROM. Click OK. Now we select unlock ROM to write. So when we are trying to write this unlock ROM, users need to remember to select the parse and select unlock ROM. Otherwise, it will write the original ROM instead. Okay. Send down OK. Okay, now it's unlocked. Next, we can re-enter the software. Now we can see the model list is available. Right now users can go to backup the important SOS files. So for example, we can back up the end list. It's very fast. After backup the end list, users can go to the command terminal and use the standard firmware repair commands to repair the firmware corruption. And finally, users go to the DFL-DDP data recovery software. On this same channel, we can see both programs are running the SATA 0. Actually, it's now under operation within the DFL-DDP data recovery software. And we can go to the file extraction. Sometimes if the lost partitions are not found, users can use this one, scan lost partitions, to get the lost partition. Okay, so this is how we can repair the firmware failure and recover the lost data for this Seagate 8000DM004 pension hard drive. Thank you for watching the video.